What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we'll be having some installation mods on the Honda S2000. I know a lot of you guys miss the S2000 build. Ever since I got the Rallinspired, not gonna lie, I've been spending more time and money on that car, even though it's my daily driver. Small little mods to kind of make it my own. But you guys asked me, the S2000, it's the big build that I'm really building. It's gonna be a long-term project. Has been one of my dream cars for a long time. Anyways, I'm so glad to be able to own this car, and it's only been less than a year of ownership, but I've definitely already added quite a few parts to make it my own. So yeah, I'm just loving how the progress of the build is. Today we actually got this part from a fellow S2000 owner. Super excited to show you guys. Alright, so let's check it out. So some of you guys might follow him on Instagram. He has this super badass S2000. Goes by Ballistek. So nice sticker he sent me. Oh, we also have a nice little Ballistek jet tag. That's super cool. This side it says authenticity is king. Nice little jet tag. And the main thing that we really got was this thing right here. So you guys are wondering what this is. This is a coil pack cover for the S2000. So let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging and show you guys. Okay, so if you guys are wondering where this piece goes, it goes right here and replaces this piece right here on the valve cover. So I took off the stock one. I'm rocking the ARC gradient valve cover. You guys know I love my JDM goodies. I love my ARC stuff. But firstly, gotta support your local S2000 owned business owner. Super cool. He's also from Texas. Secondly, if you guys are rocking the ARC spark plug cover, you may know that it is a little bit brittle. Also, yes, you do get JDM points. However, I mean, it's such a rare and expensive discontinued part that sometimes it's better to rock something like this, which is more durable. You don't have to worry about it getting worn out or wear and tear, stuff like that. What's really unique about this piece here is that it actually has a serial number. I bought it when it was the pre-order, so I placed my order a few months back, finally came in, and I got myself number 88. So this is a number I picked out. He made serial numbers for number 1 to number 100 for the pre-order. And any of you guys Asian guys might know 8 is a lucky number, so had to go with 88. What's also very cool is, besides the coil pack cover, it also comes with a bunch of these hardware and bolts as well. Very nice, great material, very durable. And I know what some guys do is on the ARC one, they actually have something very similar to this, where it's this kind of like a brush titanium aluminum look to it with the nameplate ARC. So some guys, you know, if they ever want to swap it out, you can, but this is definitely made of really high quality material. So I'm pretty excited to throw it on and see how it looks. Also, another thing is, once this goes on, it will definitely match a lot better with some of these other ARC parts. If you guys notice, the gradient is cool, but I don't really have too many stuff that is like purple or greenish in the engine bay. Sure, I have some green right here on the ARC couplers for the intake, but I feel like it kind of throws off the color scheme a little bit. With this coil pack cover, it should flow pretty nicely with the other bits in the engine bay. Okay, so first step is to remove the current coil pack cover. Grab your Allen key, lefty loosey. Just go ahead and loosen all 4 bolts. Should come right off. Alright, we have the ARC coil pack cover off, and if you guys are wondering, am I selling it? The answer is no. Not selling it, keeping it. The goal is I do want to collect as many ARC parts as possible for the S2000 build. For the coil pack cover, they have this titanium gradient one. They have one that kind of looks like this, like a nice polished look. And they also have one that's like a very nice like shiny look to it, the mirror look. So that's the goal, collect all three of them. But right now we're gonna go ahead and throw on the new ballistic one, see how it looks. And like I said, they did provide the hardware, so these 4 little rubber tubes will go underneath. I'll show you guys later. Some nice washers as well as hardware bolts that go on the top. Okay, so we got all the little hardware out and just admiring this piece. Definitely a work of art, really nice. I love this look. And one thing to note, might not be able to tell on camera, but this material is so much thicker as compared to the other ERC material. So how it works is you're gonna go ahead and put this guy right here, put the bolt through, put all 4 of them through here, and then kind of flip it around. You're gonna go ahead and put your washer, and then once you have your washers through all the bolts, you're gonna go ahead and feed these little plastic guys through just like that, so it acts like a spacer. Okay, so definitely don't like this look. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and slap on the new spark plug cover. Go ahead and fit it. And if you notice, there are holes right here. You want to make sure they all line up and use your Allen key and tighten it. Pretty easy install.
A few moments later.
Alright, so all the hardware is in. Finishing touches just to get it nice and snug. I always want to make sure to have it snug but not too tight. This already looks so nice, and I'm pretty excited to have this on the car. So there you have it, finished product. What do you guys think? And here is one final look at the ERC spark plug cover before I retire it. Here's a look at the new Ballistek spark plug cover. It looks so nice, and like I said, that look definitely flows much better with the theme and color scheme I have in the engine bay. And if you guys want to check out his build, he also does have an Instagram page as well as a YouTube channel. He has a bunch of DIY videos on there as well. So super cool guy. Whether you guys own an S2000 or don't, I recommend you guys watch his videos. Super cool. Like I said, I love to support fellow creators, especially if they have badass builds, which, yeah, his build is awesome. I would love to see it in person. I think he told me that the plan is to hopefully bring some of the Ballistek builds out to Weekfest Texas next year, 2023. So fingers crossed, hopefully we get to see it in person, and hopefully my S2000 will be ready by then for the show, so we can show both cars. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Alright, so there you have it. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it or not? I personally think it's super cool to have it here. Firstly, I like to support local creators. Secondly, he has a really badass S2000 that is goals right there. Like I said, the S2000 build that I have is just barely starting out. It's been less than a year of ownership, but I've been glad to be able to slowly collect these nice rare parts. And hopefully one day my S2000 will be super badass as well. That's the goal. If you guys have been following me on the channel for a while, you would know that I love my rare JDM parts, my ERC parts. My Mitsubishi show build is pretty much almost a full ERC catalog car. And on this S2000, you know, trying to get there slowly but surely. So again, if you guys hit to the end, make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.